everybody. I'm just going to show you how I lube up my 1851s. I don't know if everybody else does it this way or not. Maybe you can comment in the comments below. Anyways, this area here where the hand is, I normally fill that in just to keep the black powder fouling out of there. I'm just using some 1000 plus lube traditions. There's black powder, 209, 777, blah blah blah. So I'll use this, or I got boar butter or whatever the other stuff is, the yellow stuff. It smells like Vaseline or whatever. So I do that, then I put it on the arbor. That's going to wind up going all the way down once I slide the cylinder on. So I don't bother to put any here because it's going to be full air anyways. And you see when you slide that down, oops, I like to do that. Come on. There we go. Okay, so that's all the way down. It's super full right now, probably more than I normally put on. And I want to put it around the front here. I did a bit of the cylinders, but that doesn't really bother it. I'm not loading it up right now anyway, so it's not going to foul out the powder at all. Put a bit in the spot where the wedge goes. Just to make the wedge easier to go in and out. This one here is a bit of a pain to get in and out. I think it's this one, but one of them. The wedge is really tight. Slide that in. You can even put a bit on here just to make it easier to come off. Pardon my metal hammer. Anyway, that's what I do. I gotta fight to get that wedge key in there all the way because it's probably stuck on the retaining spring there. Have to be any on the hammer, but it's always good to put a bit on the hammer there just to keep the black powder fouling off it. Anyways, leave a comment in the comments below on what kind of lube you put on yours. Stops the fouling. And maybe get more shoots in between having to take it apart and clean it.